Hello friends, I am here with a note on processed food companies, goods and cold chain. For examination point of view, it is very important for economics papers of UPSC, CUET, JET, BPSC all. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. So first we discuss processed food companies. Processed food companies in India. What is processed food? First of all, we know processed food includes items that are cleaned, milled, packaged, preserved, frozen, canned, and value added, like chips, juices, dairy products, ready to eat meals. Major processed food companies in India are ITC Limited, which produces Ashirwad, Sunfeast, Bingo like products. Nestle India, which produces Maggi, Nescafe, Amul, produces dairy products. Britannia Industries produce biscuits, dairy products. Hindustan Lever Limited is known for Kisan and North products. Parle products, we all know Parle G. Tata Consumer Products, etc. Importance of food processing. It reduces post-harvest losses, increases shelf life, generates employment, boosts exports, supports farmers' income. The sector is regulated by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, that is known as FS. Then comes cold chain, cold storage and supply chain. So, what is cold chain? Cold chain refers to a temperature controlled supply system used to preserve perishable products like fruits, vegetables, dairy, meat, and vaccines. Components of cold chain are pre-cooling units, cold storage warehouses, refrigerated transport, reefer vans. It is called reefer vans, processing units, distribution centers. So importance of cold chain in India is as follow. It prevents food spoilage, reduces wastage. India loses 50 to 20% horticulture culture produce, ensures food quality, promotes export, government support. Schemes include Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Schemes are for food processing are National Horticulture Board assistance programs. Then comes smart harbors, smart ports in India. So what are they? What are smart harbors? Smart harbors use digital technology, automation, AI, IoT, and green energy to improve efficiency, safety, and sustainability in port operations. Features of smart ports are automated cargo handling, real-time tracking system, digital documentation, green energy uses, reduced turnaround time. Then comes Smart Port, developed in India under the Sagarmala program launched by the Government of India to modernize ports and promote port-led development. Major smart ports include Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Mundra Port, Chennai Port. So, importance of smart harbors. They boost international trade, reduce logistics cost, improve export-import efficiency, support Make in India initiative. So, we have to discuss. They focus on economic benefit. So, food chain provides processed food which adds value addition to the products of farmers, and it generates employment and creates export opportunities and growth. Cold chain helps in preservation, it reduces wastage. Smart harbors make trade infrastructure, lower logistic costs. So these are very helpful for farmers to save and give proper price to their product.